Hi, this is Ernest, and I just wanted to make a short video on how I made $1,000 today. The first thing I wanted to show you on this is I've been watching the hour chart today, and I noticed that it was reaching kind of not an all-time high, but it was 2 days ago that it went up this high, and the hour chart has been going down for a long time, for all week long. It's been running up a little bit today. The news has caused some things to occur, and so it did run up more than I expected it to. But here's what I did. Back on the 1 minute chart, right about here, let's see, I better make some annotations here. Hang on a second. But right about here, it started to run up. And right about here, and it was just a 90 pip run, right around the 45th pip, I started building into some sales, and I kept building into my sales, and the see if I can move this down a little bit. Okay. So I started building into my cells right about there, and then it went backwards on me, and I kept building and building and building. And then it hit the top. I was about $700 negative. And when it hit the top, I kept building, and I was about 4 lots right here. And then it hit that point over here on the hour chart. It hit that point. And I said, well, it's probably going to go down now. It's been going down. And it did. And so, first of all, it leveled out for a while, for a few minutes, and then it started to go down. And the nice thing about the fact that when I was building, I was bringing that break-even point closer and closer to me each time I made another sale. And right about here, I was going to get out, but my wife came, and I needed to give her some attention for a few minutes, and so it ran back up. But then right here is where I really got out, right? So you make that excuse me. So right here is where I got out. So all that down at a 4 lot, it turned out to be, as you can see, $1,230 or 10.2% increase, which is not really totally accurate, because I'm only at 12,036, where I started my day at 11,067. All in all, it was a good day. And I know I could have done better if I'd have gotten in and out more and wobbled it more. So I'm still learning too, but I think the highlight of my day is that I did learn that even though I was in a negative situation here, I learned at the top, and I knew I was at the top because of the hour chart. So I knew there's a high probability of it going down. And so at this point, when I was there, I didn't mind going heavy. And I was excited that the going heavy brought the break-even line up closer to, the break-even line was right about right here where this, or this purple dot is. That's where the break-even line got brought up to. So I didn't have to go very far down to hit break-even. Of course, it went way beyond break even, and that's where I made my money. But I learned how to recover when the trend was going negative against me. I was in the sells and a buy trend going up 45 pips up beyond where I started to get in. And I still recovered with $1,000 a day. That's my message. Have a great day. I'm calling it a week. I'll see everybody on Monday.